If you are a buyer looking to buy, next step would be reach out to us. Myself, Sean, or Melissa, we'd be more than happy to sit down with you, talk with you, just find out what your needs and wants are. And then from there, we're able to guide you. If you haven't talked to a mortgage person, mortgage specialist, that technically talking to the mortgage specialist is always the very first step that you do want to do. They're able to let you know what you can actually qualify for. We're more than happy to change that word to chat with you, talk to you, and we can introduce you to very good, solid mortgage specialist mortgage brokers that we know they share a similar philosophy to us, that we know they're wanting to work in your best interest. If you're a buyer out there looking to work with an agent that you can trust and tell us what you're after, feel free to reach out to one of us as part of the Home Collective. More than happy to sit down with you, have a coffee, just so you can interview us and meet us and get a feel of who we actually are.